Hey 5-6ers, this video is just explaining how to do the fractions jigsaw. Pretty straightforward. When you're finished, you'll need to have a jigsaw created that's the same size as this one. So you can see it's 5x5, so your finished product will need to be 5x5 as well. That's 25 pieces altogether. But what you'll notice is these darkened triangles will actually form the edge of your triangle when you're finished. Plus there's also, in the jigsaw when you're done, a couple of this style of double kind of triangles that are matching. So there's two of them, I think, from memory. It's been a long time since I've done this, but basically I've got my pieces here. What I'm looking for is fractions that match up with other fractions. Okay, so I can see this one. I'm just going to do this one as a little example. 3 times 1/8 is 3/8, isn't it? Okay, so I've got 1/8, and if I'm multiplying it by 3, that would be 3/8. In the same way, if I've got 1 banana and I multiply it by 3, I've got 3 bananas. So the eighths, the denominator, is just telling me what I'm dealing with. It doesn't have any value. That 8 there has no value. It's just telling me this is the type of fraction that you have. They are 8s. How many are there? 1. And if I multiply it by 3, I'll have 3/8. And you can see that that would match this one, except that can't quite fit because that'll be upside down. So that one doesn't work, but that is the equivalent fraction there. Okay, so work out. There's also some mixed fractions here where they have a different denominator or an uncommon denominator. So what you'll have to do here is figure out how to add thirds to fifths. So I would need to make those two fractions into the same denominator. So I'm thinking, what's a number that 3 will fit into evenly and 5 fit into evenly? And that's 15. Okay, so 1/3. So now I'm looking for what 1/3 of 15 is. And I know that I had to multiply that 3 by 5 to get to 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. So because I multiplied the denominator by 5, I also have to multiply the numerator by 5. So 1/3 of 15 is going to be 5/15. So that's 5/15 there. And 2/5 of 15. So the same thing, I need to multiply that 5. This time times into 5 by 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 times 3, and whatever I did to the denominator, I have to also do to the numerator. So if I multiply the denominator by 3, that means I have to multiply the numerator by 3. So that'll be 6/15. So 5/15 plus 6/15 is 11/15. And if I had a pen, which I do, I would write, just to give myself a little shortcut, I would write 11/15 on this one, just so I remember. And that's going to help me out later. And then I'm looking for one that says 11/15. And there it is, perfect. So that would fit there. Okay, good luck with it. Any questions you've got, as usual, add them to this stream, and your teacher, or hopefully other students, will be able to help you out with some guidelines. Good luck.